3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Slow. So, first step we do is the basic step number 1. 1, going down. Energy in the floor, as usual. Then when I go up and I turn the girl, make power in the frame, turn her, and make her step 2. I will make in between syncopation and 3. Be careful with this hand, don't put it here, don't put it here, don't put it there.
There.
A little bit of distance, solar plexus, good. Now guys, from here I'm going to go back 90 degrees turn to the left, with the left leg. And I'm going to make syncopation 4 and. So this is going to be 4, then I'm going to close and. Why? Because I want to be soft on the tippy toes. And then I turn the girl 5. And I'm here, I left myself some space on the 5 so I can cross in Zaida. 6. And as you see, I don't go in the main Zaida straight, I go again turning. Why? Because this figure has a nice turning flow. 6. Then I cross again back and turn the girl. Girls, now you need to close your leg, close. 7. And 6 and 7. And 6 and 7. Why? Because the guy's here and he's going to make 6, 7, 8 with the right leg. Now I turn the girl to me because we're 90 degrees to each other. I'm going to prepare my left leg, go a little bit forward, and then I'm going to meet her here where I'm going with my hand, body. So, body. And then go to the side and close. So, we are 1, 2, and 3. Tippy toes, 5, 6, and 7 if I want to make syncopation. If not, I can make 6, 7, 8. Then I go forward, zack, body, close. Good. Music. And then 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1.